Hi, I'm Fabian and this is Eddy, the smallest and lightest add-on kit for bicycles that converts any bicycle into a powerful e-bike within seconds. You simply mount the drive unit to your existing bike, attach the battery, switch it on and off you go. E-bikes are fast, eco-friendly and they take you to work without sweating. But conventional e-bikes are quite heavy and bulky. They're not meant to be used as normal bikes. That's why we created Eddy. It offers a super efficient drive while keeping your bike pure, agile and absolutely smooth running. Eddy consists of three parts: the mounting plate, the drive unit and the battery, all made of high quality materials. As you can see, Eddy is almost invisible. And it's a true lightweight champion. While most other systems have between 5 and 10 kilograms, Eddy weighs only 2 kilograms, including the battery. And Eddy is smart. In off mode you don't feel it, since there's no friction or counterweight. In on mode you can select various support levels. Once you pedal, Eddy starts within half a second. If you stop pedaling, Eddy stops automatically. Therefore, Eddy is safe, light and a great companion for your trips.
Smart Grips. Eyes-free navigation, haptic feedback notifications, and a bike tracking device at your fingertips. Simply insert your Smart Grips into your handlebar, connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth, and you're ready to go. Never go searching for your bike again. Our app will show you where you left your bike last. Since your bike is now just a tap away, you can make it ring and find it immediately. Turn-by-turn directions are communicated via haptic feedback. Your left grip will vibrate to indicate a left turn, and the right one for a right turn. Eyes-free navigation will make your ride safer and more enjoyable. Know more about road hazards and points of interest without ever having to look at a display. Get separation alerts. If ever a friend or family member strays away, Smart Grips notifies you. Smart Grips are a great way of keeping everyone together, especially when going on bike trips with a group or family. And if your bike goes missing, the Smart Grips notify the Crowd GPS network to be on the lookout for your bike. As soon as another Smart Grips user comes within 100 feet from your missing bike, you will get an instant notification with its location. Smart Grips with Bike Tracker. Make your ride smarter, safer, and easier to find.
The Rat Racer is the world's first highway speed and highway safe bike vehicle. It's a human electric hybrid bike that goes as fast as a car. When you pedal, you go highway speed.
Hi, I'm Scotty Olson. I'm the proud inventor of rollerblades, the road bike, and Skyride. I know what it's like trying to get something new on the market. The Rat Racer, it's for fitness, it's for recreation, transportation. So let's get on board and let's make this thing happen.
I'm a biker and a bike commuter, and I wanted to commute in something safer and faster and protected from the elements while still being really fun. I wanted there to be no more excuses for me not getting my exercise and reducing my carbon footprint. So I invented the Rat Racer. No more weather, no more sharing a busy road with bigger and faster vehicles, no more trying to carry your briefcase and lunch on your back. The Rat has a roll cage frame and composite body just like a race car, and lights, seat belts, and an airbag just like a regular car. The Rat is safer than a motorcycle or a bicycle on a busy street. But that's not even the best part. The Rat Racer is an ultra high-speed pedal boosting amplifier. Hi, Rocky here's guitar is plugged into an amplifier. That's why it's so loud. But if I turn down the volume knob, I turn down the amount of amplification. If I turn up the volume, the amount of amplification goes up. And if I unplug his guitar, there's no amplification at all. Hear that? All that intestine liquefying, brain melting, intimidating noise your favorite band makes would be this loud without the amplification. Oh, sorry. The Rat Racer works the same way. If a conventional bicycle is like an acoustic guitar, the Rat Racer is like an electric guitar. It boosts or amplifies your pedaling input to car speed. And all the while, your pedal power is being converted into electricity to extend your range and charge the battery. The Rat is also versatile. You never have to pedal if you don't want to. You can just stop pedaling and use the throttle. You plug it into a common household outlet and it's recharged by lunch. Plus, the Rat can run workout programs. You could be driving the flatlands of North Dakota, but pedaling the hills of San Francisco, even while stuck in traffic. I was fortunate to receive a grant from the state of Minnesota to build the first prototype. Now we need to design and build our model for production.